on our list today is attraction comes down to more than just sight. Well, yes, sight does of course play a huge role in the psychology of attraction, but did you know that sound and smell also play a big role? A study published in Frontiers of Psychology says that people are able to discern a number of characteristics about a potential partner, including their weight, dominance level, and emotional state, simply by just listening to them speak. And this same study also found that people can determine these same characteristics through smell. This does go to show that the brain chemicals that deal with physical attraction are prompted by sound and smell as well as just sight. 2. Different scents incite different levels of attraction. It's generally accepted that smells and scents can play a big role in the psychology of attraction, but what's considered a good smell versus a bad smell? A study published by the Social Issues Research Centre found that women are attracted to androstenol, which is a natural compound chemical found in fresh male sweat. But while androstenol acts as a pheromone, the scent of androstenone, which is produced when there is too much sweat, acts as a natural turn-off. Crazy. 3. Opposites really do attract. You may have heard the term opposites attract before, but did you know that they really do? It's true. And as a study conducted by the University of Dresden has found out that both men and women are naturally attracted to those with a different human leukocyte antigen. We will call a HLA complex. Basically, it's a genetic blueprint, which is different than their own. Now, because a person's HLA complex is vital to immune function, this interesting fact suggests that this subconscious attraction has to do with the survival of the species. But how do we know which potential mates have genetic blueprints different than our own? Prepare to be blown away. According to this study, our brains are also able to tell based on scent alone. 4. The tone of a woman's voice naturally increases when she's flirting. Canada McMaster University conducted a study that showed that the tone of a woman's voice increased slightly when she's flirting. And they also found out that it's a successful tactic because men were found to rank the higher pitched voices more attractive to them. 5. I love you has a more emotional effect on the brain when it's whispered into the left ear. Now, yes, this one does sound quite ridiculous, but an MIT Cognet study found that when emotional stimuli entered the left ear, accuracy of recalling was more than 6% higher than when the stimuli entered the right ear. Number 6, red is the most attractive colour. Warm and bright colours have often been shown to be perceived as more attractive and more sexual than other colours. Number 7, the quickest way to a person's heart is through their eyes. A study published in the Journal of Research in Personality found that people who share prolonged eye contact form stronger attachments with and increased affection for their staring partner, as opposed to those who are introduced with the more traditional handshake. In at number 8, beards can be attractive, but not all beards. A study published in the Journal of Evolutionary Biology reveals that heterosexual women are naturally attracted to men with beards, but not every beard made the cut. Pun intended. This study included that men with stubble or some small degree of facial hair were deemed more attractive by the female participants. And the males considered least attractive were those who were clean-shaven or those with large, bushy beards. This may suggest that women subconsciously view men with stubble as active, healthy, and more likely to be a good parent. Number 9, a woman's cycle determines the type of man she finds attractive. According to several different studies, normally ovulating women are attracted to different things depending upon their hormone levels during menstruation. During a woman's fertile stage, which is usually lasting 3 to 6 days, she is more likely to prefer men with deeper voices, competitive natures, and other typically masculine features. At peak fertility, the day of her ovulation, a woman is most likely that she'll be there to seek out a male stronger than her usual partner. Now, psychologists attribute this to the genetic hardwiring in mammals that drives the need to find a stronger mate.